Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I would like to share a brief overview of my recent experience visiting Pleased to Meet You, a multipurpose bar, restaurant, and tea room located in Morpeth, Northumberland. The venue is in a historical building that was formerly the Queen's Head Hotel and was redeveloped and reopened in late 2021. The building has been stylishly renovated, with exposed brickwork creating a modern yet classic feel. The restaurant features a locally sourced brasserie menu, and the bar offers a wide range of cocktails, gins, and ales. Pleased to Meet You also operates as a hotel, wedding venue, and event space. The pub hosts live DJs on weekends, live music on Sundays, and other events like comedy nights. Overall reviews are generally mixed, but with visitors frequently praising the attractive decor while giving varied feedback on the service and food. The venue is often appreciated for its sophisticated ambience. On positive feedback, some guests praise the tasty food, enjoyable Sunday lunch, and cocktails. Emily's Tea Room provides coffee, cakes, sandwiches, and afternoon tea. Named after the famous suffragette Emily Davison, who is laid to rest in Morpeth. It features a comfortable, quieter atmosphere, sometimes with a roaring log burner. Freshly baked scones in Emily's Tea Room, often described as having a super crunchy exterior and a soft interior, and Sunday lunch roast, available noon to 4 p.m. There is an extensive range of drinks available, including gins and cocktails from the bar. They offer a variety of menus, a main menu and a separate vegetarian and vegan menu. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed my short overview and video of Pleased to Meet You in Morpeth, to help my channel grow, please like and subscribe. Thank you.